Today I'm going to teach you how to convert HTML to PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This is incredibly useful when you need to preserve the exact formatting of a web page or share HTML content in a more universal, easily viewable format. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Make sure you have your Adobe account details ready, as you'll need to be signed in to access the full range of features we'll be using today. Enter your email and password to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top toolbar of the Adobe Acrobat interface. Here you'll find various options for working with PDFs. What you're looking for is a button labeled Plus Create. This is your gateway to creating new PDF documents from existing files. Go ahead and click on it to open up the file creation menu. Once you click Plus Create, you'll see several options appear for different ways to create PDFs. For our purpose today, you need to click on Select a File. This option allows you to browse through your computer's file system to locate the HTML file you want to convert. It's a straightforward process that gives you full control over which file gets transformed into a PDF. A file browser window will now open up on your screen. Navigate through your folders to find the HTML file you wish to convert. HTML files typically have a .html or .htm extension, making them easy to identify. Once you've located your file, click on it to highlight it, then click the Open button. This tells Adobe Acrobat which file you want to work with and prepares it for conversion. Now that you've selected your HTML file, you're almost done. The final step is simple but crucial. Look for the Create button and click it. Adobe Acrobat will now process your HTML file and convert it into PDF format. Depending on the complexity and size of your HTML file, this might take a few moments, so be patient while the software does its work. The conversion process preserves the layout, images, and text from your original HTML file. And there you have it, you've successfully converted your HTML file to PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.